Hi, my name is Jennifer Penrose, and I just wanted to say a few things about Penrose Physical Therapy. If you are looking for an environment where there's a team culture, a fun culture, and a place where we really focus on the patient experience, then you should continue to have a conversation with us. I wanted to just show you a little bit about our space. This is our main gym area. We'll kind of just do a little bit of a look here. There's elliptical, treadmill, we have parallel bars, have tables. Our philosophy is pretty much more of manual therapy and functional exercise and activities. And we definitely have a team that has some expertise in those areas, as well as just a focus on wanting to really connect with the patient and more about them and getting them back to what they want versus being dictated by insurance. We're also interested in more wellness and classes to get people where they really want to be. So continue to have a conversation with us if that interests you. Thanks.